So there are screws, one here, one down there. Next, you come down here, these two spots under the door, for easier starting to pop it off. And before disconnecting anything in here, you'll want to find these two rubber covers here and here. Once those are off, you can lower the window and you'll see these bolts appear. Those attach the window to the window regulator. Now that those are done, you can get a clip right here, slide that out, disconnect the wires. Now with this panel off, you'll then have 10mm bolts all the way around. Take off these bolts, take out these two, and you should be able to remove this panel entirely. Though you're still going to be attached here. You've got 3 Torx bolts here. Well, first what you want to do is I use a metal strap to come down in here. Once you've got these off, you can lift the window up. Get a metal strap down in here, hook the bottom of the window, and hook the top of the door. And that'll hold the window up out of your way. So you get these bolts off, you're detached from there. It might help to take the speaker off so that you can easily grab the window through there. We've got a plastic cover here with a bolt inside that attaches this piece here. When you loosen this out, you'll be able to pull this and get that piece off. You take this entire door handle off, plus these 3 bolts. There's another screw inside of here. Now this whole door latch assembly will be able to slide out with this panel. Little disconnect here. There's the internal cables and whatnot, but that's pretty easy to do once you get that all done. Then the reassembly is just reversing it all. I'm not going to go through all of it right now because it's a pain in the butt. Good luck.
This is the deconstructed latch assembly. You don't really need to do this except maybe out of curiosity. There's none of these individual parts are available as replacements. You can see 2 switches on the part with the motor with yellow dots on them. One of these is the door jamb switch, rather than the button type door jamb switch you find on most vehicles.